Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video. A couple packages came in the mail, so we'll see what's inside. I'm a little bit worried about one of them. It kind of got mangled, so like if you can see, it's like kind of doesn't feel very secure. I'm going to find out if it's damaged. I'm hoping it's safe and everything is fine. I'm kind of nervous about it. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to open it up right now. We'll take a look. So there's a bunch of stuff that I'm expecting to arrive. So hopefully this is some of the cooler things that I ordered. And we'll see. We'll find out. Wow, actually, looking inside doesn't look too bad. Tape on it. Inside here. Always a struggle. Always a struggle trying to open these up and okay. So I think I know what this is. If it's what I think it is, it's kind of cool. It's modern comics. They sent it well, actually. It's wrapped inside as well, so it wasn't too bad. So I don't think the comics were damaged by the fact that the box was damaged. So this is actually a comic collection that I purchased. And it was not an expensive collection. Like, we're talking $100 for everything. Less than $100. Like $80 for everything. But it's one where it features a lot of art that is kind of under a lot of people's radar. And I'll show you what's inside. So it's a series called Bombshells. And it's just a really kind of good girl, like pinup style art of the modern era. So the DC produced this. It's called Bombshells. And it's just like the set. So this is number 21. And then this is number 22. And number 23. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see these nice... You don't need to see me. You can see the comics. Number... I can't even see the numbers now. 24. Number 25. And you can see that it's got that kind of old school style to it, if that makes any sense. It's kind of cool. And this is number 26. Number 28. Number 29. So you got that kind of Rosie the Riveter Power Girl look. I don't know. So it's kind of interesting. And then we got like, looks like Zatanna over here. Just really kind of cool. Like this is number 30. And then we got number 31. So that's that. And then there's another stack, which will probably be the earlier issues. So let me just struggle with this again. Okay, so this is the next stack. The funny thing is, I actually ordered these from my comic shop, and they lost the order. So they reimbursed me. It was kind of sad, but I had ordered all of these through my comic shop, and I had to basically reorder them from a seller on eBay. So it was kind of sad. I was kind of disappointed, but it ended up that I ended up getting a better price on them, so it was okay. So this is Bombshells number 13. So as I said, I got the whole series. So there'll be maybe a couple issues missing, but I think it's for the most part complete. Number 14 with Harley Quinn kind of in there. And number 15. Number 16. I really like this cover. It's a really great cover. I really like Zatanna, so just a really great cover. And then we got, what's this one? Number 17. number 18. And you can see the style. It's very pinup style artwork. It's number 19. And number 20. So that's the... And then now we get the first issues. So this is number 1. This one is usually the priciest of the books. You expect to pay about $20. They have it listed as $9. As I said, for the whole collection, this actually wasn't even 100. It was less than that. It was 40 for the whole collection. So I paid like a couple bucks per book. There was actually 2 collections of Bombshells. This is the actual series of Bombshells, and then what they did was they had within the individual comics, like Superman and Supergirl and Wonder Woman and Green Lantern, they would have Bombshell covers. So I ordered a separate collection of those, and these 2 collections combined was under $100, so not too bad. So this is number 1. Usually goes for about 20 bucks. So this one is the kind of the priciest of the series. Then we have number 5. So there's a couple, as I said, there's a few issues missing, and some of them in between the number 1 and number 5 are a bit pricey. I'm talking like $10 instead of $2. So not super pricey, but you can see it's really great. This 40s style pinup Wonder Woman, for example. So then we got number 6, number 7, number 9. So, whoops, as I drop it on the floor. it's okay. It turned out okay. Not to worry. it's okay, but that's kind of annoying. Then we have number 10, number 11, and number 12. And that was that box. Okay, so now we'll open up the next box. I have a feeling this is the other collection of Bombshells. But these are the ones that appeared in the various comic books that were not Bombshell comic books, but just general DC books. So, yep, I was right. So this is cool. So it's interesting that both are, like, these are 2 separate eBay sellers, and it just happened that they arrived at the same time. It's kind of interesting that worked out. So very, very themed video, Bombshell video. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I like when that kind of situation happens, like when you get sort of everything all at once. So this is... Okay, so as I said, these were comics that were mixed in with other series. So this is Wonder Woman, and you can see it's that Bombshell style art. And it's, I think it's, yeah. This is Wonder Woman number 32. I think these were variant covers as well. So there would be a regular issue, and then there would be like sort of a variant. So this is like Super Action Comics number 23 or 32. Sorry, 32. And you can see it's just really great artwork. And then we have Aquaman number 32. See how great these covers are. And then Ra's al Ghul. Batman and Ra's al Ghul. So you can see her on the cover there. Kind of cool. That's number 32. So these ones, as I said, you can pick them up pretty cheaply. Usually about a couple dollars is what you should expect to pay. And you can sometimes buy the whole lot where they'll have a whole bunch of issues. And they're just really great covers. I really love these covers. So this is 32 from Detective Comics. A lot of these are from the New 52 series of comics. And this one's kind of cute. I really like this one. Almost like a Marilyn Monroe homage. This is Batman's Superman number 12, and it's from the New 52 collection as well. And this is a really great cover with Batgirl, and she's literally a Batgirl, so it's kind of funny that they do that. So yeah, really great cover. Yeah, sorry, Batwoman, I should say. And then we have a Catwoman, really great cover. And this is this one's a really hot comic, believe it or not. This one goes for a little bit more usually, but it was in the collection, so it's great when you can get sort of a hot comic. The reason this one's a little bit more pricey than some of the others is I don't even think it's actually the best of the covers. It's just that it has her blowing a bubble. And there's collectors out there that are searching for these bubble blowing covers. So this one is kind of hot. This is Earth 2, number 24. Okay, sort of a interesting hot girl cover. And we have Flash. Flash 32, sorry. And then we have, these are all cover buys, so I'm not really sure, what the comics themselves are, in terms of the stories. But as I said, I bought them for the covers. This is Green Lantern 32. And then we have a really great Harley Quinn one. Harley Quinn number 7. I just really like that cover. And then we have Green Lantern Corps number 32. Just a nice cover. And then we have Justice League number 32. Not really a big fan of this one, but it's not bad. And then we have Justice League United number 2, I believe. Yeah, number 2. Nice cover there. That's Stargirl. And then we have Superman number 32. Just a great newspaper kind of style one. And finally, last one. This is Superman Wonder Woman number 9. And this is not actually the complete collection of these. There was others that are in the series. So actually, I ordered again from my comic shop the missing issues that weren't shown here. So it's one of those things where there was like a lot of comics involved with this whole Bombshell collection. But it's, you have to kind of search out all these alternative covers, and there's a lot of them. So I think I would say maybe 50 are in the whole collection. And then there was also the Bombshells series. So, and there was actually multiple series of Bombshells. Just the first ones I thought were the best of the Bombshell series. So that's this unboxing. At least it was all within the same genre. It's like all Bombshell related ones. I hope you enjoy this kind of good girl art, pinup style art. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.